Hi everyone, Tanya here, and today I'm going to teach you one awesome phrasal verb to grow on someone. Grow on someone. I'm going to give you one example sentence first, and you gotta listen carefully and try to guess the meaning. Here we go. I didn't really like avocado when I first tried it. However, after eating it a couple of more times, it's grown on me. Now I add avocado to most of my meals. So I said it's grown on me. Does it mean I still hate it? No, I like it now. Did I like it right away though? No, I didn't like avocado at all when I first tried it. However, I tried again and I thought it wasn't bad. And then I ate it again and I like it. And now I love it. So it's grown on me. So when someone or something grows on you, it means you gradually like it more and more. You gradually like it more and more.
Now, I know it's not Mom's house, and I know it's a little creaky. Give it some time. It's going to grow on you.
Our date didn't go very well.
Trust me, I'll grow on you.
Let's give you some more examples. I hated rock music at first, but I think it's growing on me. I don't mind listening to it anymore. Living in a big city was tough at first, but the place grows on you. Now tell me, is there anything that you didn't like at first, but then it grew on you? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you later.